Okay, so in that, I just, went through these little arpeggio shapes, A minor. I put a little double hit on those, as you'll hear in some of those reggae records, some of those guitar things. They're like, so that's just a little double hit on my right hand. And I'm muting pretty heavily with this right hand. So that's like, this kind of sound, It's kind of that thing. So I'm just muting and hitting the root, the flat 3, and the 5th. Same on the D. Might play a pentatonic there. Then the G, 1, 3, 5. Then a little line that makes sense getting out of that. Right, to get right out of that. So just a simple little idea, but works well in a song like that, and it also stays out of the way. If you're playing that song, if you're playing a song like that, in that style, the bass player is going to probably have like a big, round, fat tone. The drummer's going to be laying it down, hopefully. And so the guitar, you want to use like a little brighter sound. Like that's why I went to the middle pickup. It's really percussive and works well when you're muting like that. So that's kind of that idea.